to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss the relation between degree, grade and radian and the conversion from one system to another system, that is from degree system to radian system and radian system to degree system. Let us start the concepts. A relation between degree, grade and radian. We know one right angle is equal to 90 degree. Also we know one right angle is equal to 100 grades. Again we know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Divide by 2, that is 90 degree is equal to pi by 2 radian. This is pi by 2 radian. Suppose this is equation 1 and suppose this is equation 2 and suppose this is equation 3. From 1, 2 and 3 we get 90 degree is equal to 100 grade is equal to pi by 2 radian. This is the relation between degree, grade and radian. Or if we multiply by 2, that is equal to 180 degree, that is equal to 200 grade, that is equal to pi radian. This is also the relation between degree, grade and radian. Now how to convert from degree system to radian system. Let us discuss how to convert from degree system to radian system. Transformation from degree system to radian system. Degree system to radian system. We know 180 degree is equal to pi radian. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. X degree is equal to pi by 180 into x radian. If we calculate, that is 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 into x into pi by 180, that is 1 degree equal to pi by 180. Putting the value of approximately 22 by 7, that is 1 degree is equal to 22 by 7 by 180, that is equal to 22 by 7 180, that is 22 by 180 into 7, 22 divided by 180 into 7. If we calculate this factor, putting the value of pi equal to 22 by 7, that is equal to by divided by 100, 180 divided by 180, that is equal to 22 divided by 180 into 7, 180 into 7. If we calculate this factor, we will get approximately 0.0174 radian. This is radian. So one note for you, that is note is equal to 1 degree is equal to approximately equal to 0.017 radian. This is note 1 degree equal to 0.017. This is radian. This is radian. Write the radian form, radian system. Write the radian system. Number 1 0 degree, number 2 15 degree, number 3 30 degree, number 4 45 degree, number 5 60 degree, number 6 75 degree, number 7 120 degree, number 8 135 degree, number 9 150 degree. This answer we know 180 degree is equal to pi, 1 degree equal to pi by 180. So if degree system is multiplied by pi by 180, then it will be radian system. 0 degree is equal to 0 into pi by 180, that is equal to 0 radian. 0 radian. 15 degree, that is equal to 15 into pi by 180, that is equal to pi by 12 radian. Pi by 12 radian. Radian can be written as simple number, that is pi by 2 radian means pi by 2, pi by 12. Here radian, suppose 1 means 1 radian, 2 means 2 radian. So 15 degree is equal to 15 into pi by 180, that implies pi by 12. Pi by 12 means pi by 12 radian. 30 degree is equal to 30 into pi by 180, that is equal to pi by 6 radian. And 45 degree is equal to 45 into pi by 180, that is equal to pi by 4 radian. Pi by 4 radian. Now this is question number 1 answer, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4. Now answer 5 60 degree. 60 degree. 60 degree is equal to 60 degree is equal to 60 degree, that is answers 60 degree. This is question and the answers are 1 2 3 4 completed. And fifth number 60 degree. 60 degree is equal to 60 into pi by 180, that is equal to pi by 3. 75 degree is equal to 75 into pi by 180. Cancel. That is 5 15 and 5 36. Again by 3 5s are 15, 5 that is by 12. Similarly 75 complete. Then 120 degree. 7th number bit 120 degree. 120 into pi by 180, that is equal to 3 pi 2 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 radian. Now 135 number bits, 8 number bits. 135 degree is equal to, that is 135 degree equal to 135 into pi by 180. Calculating this, we get 3 pi by 4, and last bit is ninth number, bit number ninth number bits. And what is 150 degree? That is equal to 150 into pi by 180, and calculate this. This is equal to 5 pi by 6. 60 degree, 60 into pi by 180, calculate this, pi by 3, 75 into 5 pi by 180, cancel this, finally you get 5 pi by 12. Then 120 degree, 120 into pi by 180, that is radian, 2 pi by 3 radian. 135 is equal to 135 into pi by 180, calculate this, 3 pi by 4 radian. And this is 150 degree, 150 into pi by 180, that is equal to 5 pi by 6 radian. Now one more example. Express 45 degree, 20 minute 10 seconds into radian. This is question. Express 45 degree 20 minute 10 second. First we have to convert the minute and second into degree. Solution. To answer here, 45 degree 20 minute 10 seconds. Here 45 degree plus, we know 160 minute is equal to 1 degree. So 20 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. 20 minutes, that is, we know 60 minute equal to, we know here 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, and 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degree. 20 minute is equal to 20 by 60 degree. Similarly 10 second is equal to 10 by 3600 degree. So put here 20 by 60 degree plus second, 10 second means 10 by 3600 degree. This is equal to 45 degree plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 360 degree. LCM 360, that is equal to LCM 360. Here 16200, here 120 plus 1. This is degree, which is equal to 16321 by 360 degree. Now degree transform to radian. degree transform to radian. Degree transform to radian. We know 180 degree equal to pi radian, or 1 degree equal to pi by 180. Apply this. So what is 16321 by 360 degree is equal to pi by 180 into 16321 by 360. This radian. This is radian. Putting the value of pi, pi is equal to 22 by approximately equal to 22 by 7. We get that is 22 by 7, 22 by 7 by 180 into 16321 divided by 360. That implies 22 into 16321 divided by 7 into 180 into 360. That is equal to 359062. Whole divided by 006354. This is, and calculating this factor nearly equal to 0.79. This is nearly equal to 0.79 radian. Therefore 45 degree 20 minutes 10 second is equal to this radian, 0.79 radian. Now transformation from radian to degree. Transformation from radian to degree. From radian to degree. Transformation from radian to degree. Suppose we know pi radian is equal to pi, simplify, or pi c is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, or x radian is equal to 180 by pi into x degree. This is degree. If putting the values of pi is equal to 22 by 7, 1 radian is equal to 180 by 22 by 7. Calculating this, we get 1 radian is equal to approximately equal to 57 degree 16 minute 22 second. Remember this value, 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 16 minute 22 second. Some examples. Convert the radian system into degree. Convert the radian into degree. Question number 1. Suppose 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is dash degree. We know pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian equal to 180 by pi, or that is 3 pi by 4 radian is equal to 180 by pi into 3 pi by 4 into 3 pi by 4 degree. So cancel, pi cancel, that is equal to here 4 22 half, that is 4 180 135 degree, right? 3 pi by 4 is equal to 3 pi by 4 is equal to 135 degree, that is 45 into 3. Suppose calculate here, 15 1 12 13 135 degree, right answer. Now one more question 1.2 radian, right, in degree form. 1.2 radian. Answer 1.2 radian. This can be expressed in degree as 1.2 is multiplied by, that is 180 by pi. Putting pi is equal to approximately 22 by 7, that is equal to 1.2 into 180 by 22 by 7, which is approximately equal to, that is equal to 756 divided by 11. This is degree, that is equal to 756 by 11 degree. This can be written as rough here 756 divided by 11. 756 divided by 11, 11 6 the 66, 15 minus 6, that is 9 6, 11 8 the 88, that is equal to 16 minus 8 8. Here we get 68 degree and plus 8 by 11 degree. Now keep it this in box. Now Now 8 by 11 degree. Here 1 degree equal to what? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. So 8 by 11 degree is equal to what? 8 by 11 into 60 at this minutes. That is equal to, now 8 by 11 degree is equal to 8 by 11 into 60 minutes. That is equal to 48 by 11. This minute. Again divide here, rough work here. 480 divided by 11. 480 divided by 11. 11 4 the 44. 4 0. 11 3 the 33. Remain here 7. So this can be 43 minutes, that is 43 7 by 11 minutes, or this can be written as 43 minutes plus 7 by 11 minutes. Again 7 by 11 minute converted into second, that is equal to 43 minute 7 into 60 by 11, that is equal to this second, that is equal to 43 minutes, that is plus 42 420 divided by 11 second, 400 half here, 420 divided by 11, 11 3 is 33 and 12 minus 3 90, 11 8 is 88 here. So this can be written as 43 minutes 38 seconds. What is the value of here? This is 43 minutes 38 seconds. Now now 60, that is 1.2 radian is equal to, we have 68 degree plus 8 by 11 degree, that is 68 degree, and value of this is equal to 43. Value of this 8 by 11 degree, 8 by 11 degree is equal to, what is the value here? 43 minutes 38 seconds. This is answer. This calculation is very difficult because it is by fraction, decimal, so on, so like this. Thank you. So do careful.